Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Navien Tankless water heater is making a constant humming noise, it can be noticeable enough to make you think something is going wrong inside the unit. While a slight sound during operation is normal, a louder or unusual hum often points to issues like water flow restriction, internal vibration, or buildup affecting the system. Because these heaters rely on pumps, fans, and moving water, any imbalance can create sound that travels through the unit or even the pipes. By checking a few specific areas, you can reduce or completely eliminate the humming sound. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix a Navien tankless water heater humming noise. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the unit and disconnect power safely. Step 2. Check water flow and ensure valves are fully open. Step 3. Clean the inlet filter to remove any debris buildup. Step 4. Inspect the unit for loose parts causing vibration. Step 5. Confirm proper venting and airflow around the heater. Step 6. Restart the system and listen to ensure the noise is reduced.